Yo, starts 5150. So it's about time for Power Hour. We are, what are we at? 1:30, 1:30. We are live. We are live. Guess what? I got broke up with, and I ain't even dating. Women are wild, bro. I gotta get this money though. They want you to be up their ass. I gotta focus. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. A focused man gotta stay focused. So we focusing on these charts. Starts 5150. Here we go. Let's go. Let's talk about it. What we got going on with that? I'm looking for my glasses. Can't find them. But anyway, we already know what happened this week as far as the world goes, you know what I'm saying? Iran and all this other stuff. But as far as the charts go, a 4 hour, we still in this range. So nothing new. Look at that. Nothing new under the sun in this 4 hour range. We're right here. We're still in the middle. And you can see here, same old same. Same old same. Midline, boom, come back down to the bottom. Nothing has changed. So, in spite of what everybody's telling you about the world coming to an end, and look at this, we're actually up, right back, right where we were, because we are. This is back from April, and look at this, we're still in the same range, that we've been in since. We've been in this range. This is since November, actually, technically October. We're in the same range we've been in since October. And what's up? See what I got on my notes. Don't trade earnings and YOLO trades. I did do a YOLO trade on gas, and it was actually profitable, which is crazy because I'm supposed to quit trading, and that kind of made me feel like I shouldn't quit trading. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. Money ain't everything. Time is more important. And it's getting ready to be warm. Get ready to get outside, y'all. I ain't tripping. Let's get down to the 1 minute. You can see we in the downtrend. We underneath the 200. Turning down on the 5 minute. We are underneath the 200, so we're bearish at the moment. It's real bearish. On the 15, bearish. So if you're gonna put it in order, I think you should be looking for short term, a move back up to maybe the 48. Just play the 48 and the 5. You could do that and then get in and get out if you're scalping. But even then, it's not even enough. You can get at. You see, we just basically going right there. So there it is. Boom, 48 to the 5. And back down. Maybe possibly up to the 200 if you want to risk it. But yeah, so here you go. You could do that. Do that short right. I mean that long right there. But I wouldn't. I wouldn't push that though. Play the 5 to the 48 and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? If you want to play to the upside, just spike, just scout. That's what you want to do. That's not giving you much, but you know, see there it is to the 200 and back down. So you could be in and you could be out. You understand? Maybe that's what you should do. Let's do one right quick. Ready? No, not yet. Not that. Too short. No, too quick. Too short. So now we're bouncing on the 48. We're bouncing off the 5. Heading back down. Going back down. Here we go. So now at this point, just play to the 200. Get above the 200. Go for a little short, long maybe. But if you go to a long, go for a long there on a 200. I would just play back up to, what is that? 821. Don't play anything more than 820. Let's see, 820. There we are. We at 820. Boom. Return. There it is. Now we'll go for a short right quick at 820. Now we're probably going to build and come up to the next level. Next level will be 828. We're going to go up. We're going to go long. 828. 828 would be a target if you want to go long. That's if we stay above this 200. But given the trend, boom, we'll come back down. There we are, coming back down. So 800 to 820. Maybe play that. Or I can catch you one. Let's see. Go pulling back. Let's say 800 to 820. Catch one. I missed it already. All right, catch it back to 820. So we'll put that in at 817. See if we can run back up, catch 817. I might be stretching. You see how it ran out already? It ran out at what, 8, 11? Nice, got us a pop. That's all we need. 40 bucks. 40 bucks a day. Staying focused, right? Let's go. All right, stocks 5150, yo. That's all we're gonna do. I'm gonna come here, feel like it, and snatch a dollar or two, and then get out of here. You know what I'm saying? I got yard work to do. And shout out to that girl that dissed me. She ain't really dissed me because you can't miss what you can't measure. And also, um, I don't care. The one that I love is gone and being gone. So everybody else is casualties of war. So it's all good. She probably did herself a favor. Talking my personal business, but I don't care. Nobody listening to this shit but me. Stocks 5150, yo. We are out. We're gonna ride this out until let it stay live until power hour, till 4 o'clock. All right, enjoy your life. Enjoy yourself and your life. Stocks are crazy. Peace. Watch these charts. Let's go.